Hello, my name is Yvonne and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our Spring and Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our Spring and Summer Discovery program, we have created a Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. Today, I will be showing you how to use our Shape Fans Kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link to our online Spring and Summer Discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. Have you ever wondered how fans keep us cool? These fans will help to explain it all. You can create your fan with basic materials and then decorate it to make it uniquely yours. When you wave your fan to create air movement, it's called circulation. Circulation encourages forced convection, the dispersal of body heat by air motion, which in turn cools the surface of your skin. An example of this action in nature is the cooling feeling when the wind blows against your skin. And now that you know the science behind why a fan is so handy, are you ready to create your own? For this activity, you will need a fan and handle, tape or a glue stick, and mini crayons or markers. Our first step is to decorate the fan and handle however you would like. You can use the mini crayons or find other items to get creative and decorate your fan. Once you are finished coloring and decorating the pieces, it's time to assemble your fan. Use the glue stick to apply glue to the end of the handle and the section of the fan that you want to glue together. Or you can simply use tape to hold the fan and the handle together. Be sure the fan and the handle are completely dry before using. Now you're all ready to cool off by waving your fan in the air to feel the air currents against your face and arms on a hot day. Would you like to learn more about the wind energy or the way things work? LA County Library has many books you can check out or access online. With your LA County Library card and PIN number, you can access ebooks on Hoopla or place books on hold via our website and receive a notification when the book is ready for pickup at your local library. We hope you enjoyed this summer take-home activity kit. You can sign up for our summer discovery program at lacountylibrary.org/spring-summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now!